So for here we have an inductive proximity sensor. We're gonna connect the sensor and get it ready to be connected to the OSBR board. And we have 3 terminals for the sensor. You're gonna find blue, brown, and black. The brown represents the positive signal, and the blue represents the ground, and the black represents the signal going from the proximity sensor to the OSBR board. So what we need to do is to connect a female terminal, just like that on each of them, and make sure that it's not pretty tall, so you have to trim it a little bit to make it fitting exactly in the female terminal. I'm just using a scissor because that's pretty tiny wires. I'm supposed to use a wire cutter, but that's pretty fine. So what I have to do is to put that one like this, and use whatever you wanna use, some sort of wrench or clamper to tie it up. So that's number 1. That's number 2. Still tall, need to be shorter a little bit. Here's number 2. Perfect. And make sure you turn her up because you need to put it in the female house, and that's the last one. Perfect. Yep. Now the 3 are ready to be inserted. Just make sure that for the OSBR board you have the middle one is going to be the positive, and over that on the cable here is going to be written that the brown is positive, black is the output, and the blue is the 0 voltage, which is the ground. So, and on the OSBR board we have the order from up to down. We have the yellow, which is the signal, so that should be represented by the black one. Then we have the positive, which is red, and it's gonna be here the brown for us. And finally we have the blue one, which is the negative terminal, which is represented by, or the ground is represented by. So sometimes you might find out that the lock is not pretty much high to lock it inside, so maybe you need to just, you can use whatever, any sort of anything to elevate that terminal a bit so that it locks inside. Here we go. The brown is not fixed as well, has the same problem. So I'm going to do the brown the same thing I've done to the blue one. Here we go. You should hear it clicking when you put it inside. Done. And here we go, we have the black, which is written as here the signal, the output, and brown is positive and blue is negative or 0 voltage. And on the Osborne board you have four pots. That one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna go for the first one to check it out, and what we're gonna do is keep the black one from the upper side like this. So we have the black, brown, and blue.